Hi, to enable and disable floating shutter button on your Samsung Galaxy A35, first thing we need to do is open Camera app and here take a look at the upper panel. You should see this settings icon, just tap it to select and after that scroll a bit more to see shooting methods. So let's scroll and yep, here it is. Just select it and after you selected it, you should see this feature floating shutter button. When enabled, you can take pictures with an extra shutter button you can move anywhere on the screen. So if you see that the switcher is blue, then it is enabled. Or if it's gray like that, you should tap on it so it will become blue. And now it is enabled, so let's try this out. I'm gonna go back in my camera. And now we can see this floating shutter button which we can drag anywhere across the screen. For that you need to hold it and drag like that. And to take a photo you just need to tap it. And now photo is taken. This is especially cool if you wanna use the camera in one-handed mode. So you can just drag it to the right side, and if you are using camera app just with your one hand, you can easily reach this button and tap it to take a photo. Now to remove this button, you can either press and hold it till you can see this minus appears, and you can tap it and it would be gone from your view, or you can open settings again, scroll down till you could see shooting methods, then simply tap on the switcher near floating shutter button to disable. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.